So I've had several traders that have made this, tried to use Python and ended up using Amibroker, and they are way, way happier for doing so. There hasn't been a single trader I've worked with for this transition that is unhappy with that choice. Their back testing is literally 80% faster, 80% plus. And this is from somebody who was probably the deepest Python programmer I've worked with. He had this really sweet setup of a multi-threaded backtest that would just really efficiently use all the cores in his machine. But he switched to Amibroker and he made lots of money last year as a result of doing so. He credits that change in the work we did to transition his business from Python to Amibroker for those results. So he's much happier. And a lot of the coding that you have to do is just way more convenient.